Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm joining hashtag 2crafters1design, who's Melissa, Moe Creations, Lisa, UCYIMADIVA, Gloria with Girlie's Cards, and I'm also joining hashtag Satmore Makes Jill, and she's Jillian Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So for 2crafters1design, they give you a prompt each week and ask you to upload your creations on Saturday morning. Satmore Makes and Jill, she wants you to just craft all week and upload your creations on Saturday morning too. So join both of those hashtags. So with 2crafters1design, their prompt this week was Christmas. So I wanted to really join that one. I've missed a couple, but I'm joining this one now. You have to excuse me. I'm a little under the weather, so this is like my fourth time trying to get this video done without coughing. So we're gonna power through. We're gonna make it. I have a good feeling. So let me share with you what I used to create the card and a couple other things that I created. So I used this paper pad. It's from Photo Play. It's a Wonderful Christmas, and this was given to me by Sybil, who's super awesome. And thank you, Sybil, for giving me this really wonderful paper pad. And the designs in here are really nice. They're super simple, which I love. Isn't that pretty? I can't wait to use that one. And then it has the snowman and snowflakes, Christmas lights. That's beautiful. Stripes and houses, and then it repeats itself. So thanks again, Sybil, for that one. And then I'm using some Rosie Studio. These are candy embellishment called Peppermint Twist. Super cute. Love those. I used the Perfect Touch arches and tags from Spellbinders. I think I used the second one or maybe the third one in. And then I used this die set Christmas bird poinsettia. I just used some elements from this, and I'll show you more about this in another video. See, I also used some twine that I had from my stash, and this is some that I got from Joann. I wrote on here 2019, and it has the 3 different colors. You get the black and red, and the black and white, and then the red and white. And then this is from Joann. It's the Place and Time. It's called Glitter and Glow, and I used some of this. I don't know when this came out. I don't see it on here. All right, let's see. And I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, I used something from my stash that I haven't used in a long time, and that's this from We Are Memories Keeper. It's this ribbon cutter. Have any of you had this or used it in the past? And what you do is you put your ribbon in here, and it kind of burns it, kind of like what a lighter does, but it doesn't have a flame or anything. It has that little wire in there that gets hot, and it just kind of fuses the ribbon. So I pulled this out of my cabinet, and I was just like, I'm just gonna see if this works. And then I turned it on, and it came on. I don't know when I put these batteries in here, but I hadn't used it in a long time, so that was pretty cool. So let me share with you what I made. So first up, I made this really cute card, and this is using the paper from the paper pad. And then these are the elements from the die set from Spellbinders. And then I just used some paper from my stash. I'm sure it's basil paper, to make the little arches. And I think it turned out cute. So in making these were supposed to be tags, but one of them I wanted to use to make into a card. So there's the card. And then here are the little tags. So this one, I haven't put a string in it yet. I wanted to put some twine in it, but I don't have any twine. I've used it all on banners or something, so I need to head to probably Michael's and get some more twine. I like to see the twine in person because I don't want to get the super thin, and I don't want to get the super thick. I think Michael's would carry it. And then here's 2 others, and they're all about the same. Here's the one with the red and white string, which is super cute. And then here's the one with the gold string. And I don't know how long to make these. I've never made a tag before like this. So I can always put some more string in it if I need to. But as you can see, they're not all the same, but using the same elements. And then here's the card. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check out everyone's design. That's with Moe. She's Moe Creations. Lisa, UCYIMADIVA. And Gloria with Girlier's Cards. That's for hashtag 2crafters1 design. And then check out Jill's channel, Jillian Norwood Design, Greenwood Girl Cards. And that's at Sapmore. The hashtag for this is at Sapmore Makes. Sorry. Try to get through this, guys. So thanks for watching. And let me know what you think below of the tags and the card. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.